What up, YouTube? Today we're gonna play Amnesia True Subway Horror. Finally! Look at the levels. We have only 8 more levels. Let's complete this game. Okay, here we are. Now, here's a dead body. I juked you. Alright, no, I'm not even gonna bother. What the? I died. Oh no, I didn't die. I touched the door. Sorry, I thought when she hit me or I thought he killed me. Oh, find the crowbar. Uh-oh. So you gonna kill me like last time? You okay? Look at his eyes. So ugly. You have no eyes, do you? Okay, that's weird. No one's chasing me. That guy either. Huh. Weird. Okay, I guess the crowbar must be in here. Wait, do I? Ah, I need to find a crowbar. There you go. Well, I don't know where's the crowbar, so... Wait, do I shoot? No, I don't shoot them. Do I? Okay. I'll just look for the crowbar. No need to shoot them if they're not even chasing me, so... Why kill them if they're not even doing anything to you? Okay. Where are you, crowbar? Is this it? No. Wait. Oh. Oh man, guns. Dang it. I don't care about that. I care about the crowbar. No. Where is it? Oh, maybe I have to duck. No. Oh, maybe it's at that other place. Where is that other place? It's there. It's right here. Oh wait, no, not that one. It's like somewhere around here. Here. And there must be a crowbar. Is he gonna kill me? That's weird. Why aren't you guys killing me? Oh, I found a crowbar. Go to the apartment. Alright, that's weird. Why are they doing that? Your arms in the way. That's weird. Why aren't they attacking me? Like the other ones from earlier, they are, but not these ones. It's so weird. Look at your face. You don't have eyes. Sucks to be you. That is so weird. Surprised they're not even killing me. That's good. At least I don't have to waste any ammos. Wow. What did I do to make them do that? Like, from preventing them from attacking me. Okay, maybe this one they might. Uh-oh. Yep. Uh-oh. What? I have to do this again. I hate this. Nothing happens. I don't need to go there. Oh, man. What the? What just happened? Check all the rooms. Are you kidding me? Okay. For what? 4 more bullets. So I just open all the doors? Huh? What's that laugh? Oh. Key. Hey. Back away. Look at my bullets. Uh oh. Look at my health as well. So low. Alright, meat. Ooh, I knew he'd come in handy. Alright. Release to this one? It does. What's that noise? Come on, I just want to finish this game on this video. Come on, please. No key. What do I do? What do I use? Is that it? Do I go to the other room? Oh. Hurry up. Move. Where do I go? Do I have to find another key? Okay, I found one there. Why are they on the floor? Aren't they supposed to disappear or something? Oh, wait. Oh, dang it. I thought that arm was key. Do I leave now? That's it? What do I do now? Did the dude find out where or what happened? Or whatever? Same place again. Why? What the? Dang it. Bullets. There you go. Alright. Okay, no guns. What is that laughing every time I try to open the door? Oh wait, that's on. There you go. No key. I go in here? No. No, come on, dude, heal. Oh my god, just open. 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 Come on. Double kill. That was so close. Gotta eat. Okay, I leave, right? Wait, but I didn't able to check this whole room. Come on, what do I do? Do I leave? I guess I leave now. I think I do leave. What do I do? Ah, wait, bullets. That was when I saw something. Saw a person right there. What do I do? I can't find anything else. Oh my god. Well, this is gonna be another long video. What do I do? I literally don't know what to do. Do I leave now? What the heck? So the main thing is just to kill everybody. Did those people? I hope so. I didn't see him. She good? Nope. Uh oh, there's two of them. There you go. You guys sisters, right? Lay there. Look at, they're doing a dance move with their capes. What are you guys? You have weird faces. Huh? Who are you? Oh, you dead already. Oh. Are they gone? No, they're still right there. Hey, hey, hey. Nope. I'm dead. Did those people? Oh, I hope not. Hurry up, hurry up. You take forever, dude. You really do. Hello. Bye, come on. They're everywhere. Leave. Oh, I was supposed to leave. That was stupid. Then why would you make me go in that room? Find 3 pages out to find out the truth. Why do I keep hearing that? Found one. Monster. Someone's coming, someone's coming. I didn't read that, but whatever. As long as I kill. I kill for the truth. Oh, meat. I need meat. There you go. Whew, I'm hungry. Someone's gonna be in here when I get a page. If there's. Uh oh. Uh oh. No! Come on, bro. Find 3 pages. You know what? I don't care anymore. Where's the page? Where's that stupid page? Oh, I have that axe. Wait, I have the crowbar as well. Wait, oh, I have the crowbar. I can use it. Maybe I can whack him out. This literally takes forever to kill. Oh. Okay, this one might be stronger. Says you should. Oh, pills. It says you should take those pills. Now look what you did. Oh man, I took pills and that's not a good sign. I cannot see like this. There you go. This is even more easier. No page? Huh, that's weird. No pages. I wonder why. There has to be a page. Wait. Oh wait, dang it. Oh really? Oh, there's one. Says I didn't think. Hey. There you go. That's how you do an awesome trick. That's weird. I didn't read it. Says. Wait. Says you didn't drink your pills. Take them. You feel better soon, very soon. Whoa. Okay. So really, this isn't happening to me? So, this is just an illusion. But where's the third page? That's the trick. Or that's the part. God, where is it? Ugh. Oh, wait. The page in here? No. Oh, it said drink those pills. I don't know why, but just do it. Pills are here. That's weird. Wait, but where's the page? Wait, is it here? Yeah, there it is. No, it's your fault. Hurry up. No, come on, bro. Come on. I did this like in 3 minutes. There's one in here. You know what? I'm doing it to all of them. No? Oh, I forgot I could use that trick. Alright, I'll stay in here. No one could come. Close the door. Do I only close this? Come on. Nothing? Shoot her right in the butt. Whoa, that one just... Did that one appear? Oh man, I gotta eat. There's some food in here. Thank God you're helpful. Oh man, but I need more. Well, I don't need ammo. Hey, hey. Oh, the bedroom. In the bedroom. No! Bros, leave me alone! Ugh. I'm getting frustrated. Open the doors. Close the doors. Get the pages and there'll be like 2 zombies. What the? Hey. Hurry up, hurry up. Too much action. Hey, hey. No! Come on, are you kidding me? Please stop doing this. Oh, I'm getting frustrated every time. I'm trying to shoot them, but they don't die easy. How come they don't die easy? See, I don't even focus when I even get mad. Okay, I'm just... work. Hurry up, dude. You upload long. I need bullets. I'm wasting bullets every time I die. They don't go back to how many I have before. So I really need bullets. Bullets, bullets, bullets. Alright, oh wait, bullets are in here. There you go. Oh. Oh my god, please stop it. Please leave me alone. Don't do that to me. You're annoying me, guys. Whatever. No. Is this the best option? But it's a little dark and I don't like it like this. Bring it on. Ha. Come on. Why do you go to the side? Okay, I'm a little bit strong with this. It's way better than this stupid gun. But I need it though. Sorry, like a gun's a little handy when you shoot far. Hey, hey, hey. After the 5th shot, I mean not killing them, but you know what I mean. Oh my god, are you kidding? Why do they always go to the side? Please comment below now. This is getting annoying. Oh, come on, where are you? I just want to kill you right now. There. Hurry up, dude, hurry up. Stop going to the side. That's all I do. Ugh. This game makes me frustrated. Come on. There's one. Hurry up. Dang. Oh man, those things are annoying. any of them come. Wait, there. There you go. Come on, hurry up, hurry up. Okay, I'm getting closer. Where's that thing? Yeah, this thing is handy as well. Can't die. Three. Yes! I made it, didn't I? So I took pills and I was illusioning. No zombies, right? No zombies. No zombies, please. Okay. So the whole zombie thing is like he killed himself every time they killed me. That makes no sense. Why would you kill yourself? See, this is what happens when you take pills. Look, it's morning. Says yourself into the police. It says remorse is the action of biting again. That's what the feeling does to you. Imagine the strength of a bite when you reran by words. They seem like some ancient curse. I have forgotten. Finished the game. Woo! We finished the game. Yes. Credits. Poisonous game. I guess that's the creator of this game. Wow. Wow, that was really hard. Wow, this game was even harder than the other one. Like the simulation to this. You know, Resident Evil. That one was easier than this one. This one was a lot harder. Well, anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's been really annoying and really hard and really shooting, kind of. But I could deal with more of this. Anyways, I'm out.